Almost a year without video, and you guys think that I have made an exit from YouTube. No, guys, absolutely not. So the thing was that I was just messed up with my class 12 education. Results are out, and it's like quite good. I mean to say, good enough. So yeah, I'm beginning YouTube again. So yeah, get ready started for this vlog. So yeah, guys, today I have just created to make a plan of a bike ride. So near about 60 to 70 kilometers away from my house. So yeah, do keep checking this vlog, and by the time this video gets uploaded, you'll just get to know where I'm going by seeing this title. So let's get started. So yeah, guys, I'm finally ready, and you can see what I'm wearing. And listen, अपना टाइम आएगा नहीं, अपना टाइम ऑलरेडी आ गया. चल दिए चलते हैं. I'm just finally ready with all the equipment needed to me to go on this tour. So let's go, man. So guys, I'm just finally set and we are ready to go. Hello. And yes, I'm just going with him. I'll just bring up about him. So yeah, let's go. We have finally reached Joydev, and this is the famous temple of Joydev. I'll be telling about its history later on after this video, so do check it too. Joydev Ghat, it does take a hell lot of time to cross it, but I fast forwarded it. So entered into Durgapur, and this is Muchipada. So guys, after a huge ride of near about 60 kilometers, we have just reached and see where we are now, in front of the Junction mall. So guys, let's just roam around and party after the board results, as I said. So yeah, let's begin. So guys, as just you can see that I reached here near about 10 a.m. and it opens at 11 a.m. So yeah, I have nothing. Just need to go to do breakfast. Okay, man. See, not not a single store has opened again. And also I'm getting the free Wi-Fi provided by Jio here, but yeah, still useless until I enter the mall. Yeah, so yeah, let's do some breakfast and catch you soon. So the thing is like that, guys, this mall opens at 11 and we are just in about 30 minutes ago here, 10:35. So yeah, just to roam around, nothing else. Yes, I am bored. So guys, just finally entered the Junction mall and I'm at the escalator. Yeah, and that too before 11 a.m. So yeah, that's something great. Yeah, let's see it, man. And the stores over here are opening. So yeah, we are just quite a bit early, not quite a bit, a lot early, because generally they say about 11 a.m. but it takes me about 12 to start. And this is the food park, this is the food court here, and as you can see, everything is available out here. Let us just take the drinks. So guys, we are now in the lift and we are enjoying it. Full day enjoying. Yeah, and we are going up. Our weight is getting increased. Yo. Guys, as for the pub we are going to enter is going to open near about 12 or 12:30. So we have just come here and to get some mocktail drinks out here. And yeah, let's see what we get. So guys, I just got the drink. It is the fresh lime soda, and he has just tasted it for me. And so, just tell me, how does it taste?
Beautiful, awesome.
Oh, so it's just awesome. कैसा लगा ये?
बहुत अच्छा.
मतलब कैसा है टेस्ट?
अच्छी है.
तो चलिए ट्राई करते हैं इसे. बोलो.
Full to enjoy.
Yeah. So let's begin. So guys, I'm just sitting in the food court. Actually, the pub which I'm going to enter opens at 12:30 or so. And to enjoy at the epic hours, or you may say as the happy hours, I need to enter at that time only, because the offers are great in the happy hours, and let's see how we can enjoy. So my friend is bored and he's watching the TikTok.
So good.
So yeah, just nothing to do, just need to roam around, and I guess the light here is great. Look the background out here, and there is a gaming zone. So yeah guys, nothing to do, just sitting here. And we will enjoy because सफर कफल मीठा होता है.
And कुछ देर बाद बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है.
हाँ एकदम भाई, थोड़ा रुक जाओ, अभी तो 12:15 बज रहा है, तो
15 minutes.
so yeah, then we'll be going and enjoy. So stay tuned. वीडियो तो अंत तक ही देखना.
And enjoy TikTok.
हाँ, ये तो TikTok लेकर चलाएगा. So finally guys, we are entering. Let's go. So guys, I have just entered into the pub and let's enjoy inside it. So guys, as you can see, I just ordered hookah from cocktail first bit here, and we just got it. So yeah, let me just try it and let's say how is it, how they made it. So yeah, it's completely pleasant, and they make it like the one which I had in Traffic Gastropub in this land. So yeah, 4.5 out of 5. It's a little bit hard. The temperature doesn't mean to be like this, but yeah, great overall. So let us enjoy.
We about to turn it on. Turn it on.
guys, just ordered a few drinks along with the hookah, and as you can see, it has just come here. So it's quite great. Let's just try it. So guys, I just got one more friend with me, and it is Rishi, and he stays here in Durgapur. So any girls if got crush on him, you can meet him easily in Durgapur. Just kidding, guys. So guys, as you can see, there is a serious meeting going on in this cocktail. Wait a minute. People are just damn serious. So guys, just got out from the pub and yeah, see us.
बोर हो गया पब पे यार.
हाँ.
खाली खाली सा था.
खाली का कहता था
और स्पीकर्स भी अच्छा नहीं था.
मजा नहीं आया.
तो चलिए और अच्छा मजा करने के लिए चलते हैं. हाँ, क्या बोलते हो?
चलिए कुछ ज़्यादा नमकीन दिखाते हैं.
हाँ. So guys, we just got the food from Zomato and see what we got. Say something.
Yo.
So yeah, the food is like quite good. Let me taste it and.
Chili chicken and paratha. Chili chicken and paratha.
And still अच्छा पराठा and chili chicken.
ये देखो. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, पराठा खा लो.
So guys, the new meme will be on him.
Yo.
So after from Rishi's PG or flat you may say, we are again back to the Junction Mall as you can see. So yeah, we are gonna roll again.
Yo.
Rock and roll. Yo. So guys, that's it for this vlog today. Yeah, I enjoyed a lot. So yeah, I'm going back to my house with a bike ride. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog, although it was just a little bit, like not too much, but yeah, that's it for watching this vlog. So guys, somehow, but I don't know, three of us just reached सीढ़ी.
हालात देखो यार, हालात देखो.
हम तीनों सीढ़ियाँ हैं.
और किन से इतनी धूल खाए. क्या बोले
घंटा ठंडा पा.
ले धर.
Give my bag. You take that helmet, okay? And give me this helmet. So yeah, finally guys, I have reached my home after the long day too. We have taken during going and on this tour, and this was driving bike, and this is the breakfast which we have taken in front of the Junction Mall, and this is in the escalator, and this is one of the best membership card I have seen, the cocktail one, and it's me outside the people, and I have met two of my juniors too, as you can see. So yeah, we enjoyed a lot. So guys, that's it for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, then please drop down a like, leave a comment below, and do subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next one. Peace.